Have you ever pondered the origins of the universe? How did everything we see, feel, and experience come to exist? Our journey begins nearly 14 billion years ago with a singular monumental event, the Big Bang. In the beginning, there was nothing, just a tiny singularity dwelling in the void of nothingness. Then, about 13.8 billion years ago, something extraordinary happened. The singularity began to expand, and thus the universe, as we know it, was born. For a few brief moments, the universe was a hot, dense point smaller than a single atom. Then, in a fraction of a second, it expanded at an astonishing rate, stretching far beyond the view of our most powerful telescopes. This was the inflation epoch, a period of rapid exponential growth. As the universe expanded, it cooled. Protons and neutrons began to form within minutes. These particles merged to create the first atomic nuclei in a process known as nucleosynthesis. However, it took nearly 400,000 years for electrons to be captured into orbits around these nuclei, forming the first atoms. These atoms were almost entirely hydrogen and helium, the simplest and lightest elements. They floated in the universe, creating vast clouds that, over millions of years, would collapse under their own gravity to form the first stars and galaxies. Fast forward to about 5 billion years ago. A particular cloud of gas and dust in a corner of the Milky Way galaxy began to collapse. It spun, condensed, and eventually ignited to form our sun. Around it, debris coalesced to create the planets, including our own Earth. Life on Earth, as we understand it, began around 3.5 billion years ago. It started simply with single-celled organisms, but over time, evolved into the diverse array of species we see today. And here we are, in the present day, a product of billions of years of cosmic evolution. We gaze into the cosmos through our telescopes, peering back in time to witness the echoes of the early universe. We strive to understand the fundamental laws of nature that have shaped our cosmic history. To recap this cosmic journey, it all began with a singularity that expanded in the Big Bang, creating the universe. The universe cooled, allowing atomic nuclei and then atoms to form. These atoms coalesced to create stars and galaxies. One particular galaxy formed our solar system, and on one of its planets, life as we know it evolved. This grand cosmic tale from the Big Bang to the present day is our current understanding of the universe's history. Every day, scientists around the world uncover new pieces of this cosmic puzzle, bringing us closer to understanding our place in the universe. And so the quest for knowledge continues, driven by our innate curiosity and the desire to answer that age-old question: where did we come from?